I've been experiencing very dry skin lately. Could this be a side effect of TRT? My dosage is 200 milligrams twice a week. That's nothing we hear very often, because normally we hear of more oily skin
Sure. Yeah,
on
I'm
higher
usually telling guys
testosterone
how to,
level.
yeah, let's
Yeah,
teach you how to just get you to dry up those, sebaceous glands a little bit with some, some zinc or some B5 or, that kind of stuff, or some, some topical shampoo as body wash to dry you out instead of being dry.
yeah.
Yeah, so I doubt it. I doubt that's what's going on there.
Mm.
And we just talked a little bit about thyroid. I would check out your thyroid though too. I see a lot of skin issues with some thyroid.
Yeah.
I would want to see what your numbers look like there. Beyond just the TSH, to see what a free T3 looks like, and see how that's going. Take a good look at your diet too. I see a lot of guys. Maybe you notice this too. We're pretty deficient in essential fatty acids.
Yeah.
Not a
Yeah.
lot of guys are eating fatty fish 3-4 times a week to get enough of that kind of thing. So sometimes substituting with some fish oil can go a real long way. It
Yeah.
depends upon your environment here too, right? I'm here in Phoenix in the desert. We see people running pretty dry on top of all of it. So staying well hydrated, keeping an eye on your essential fatty acids. I think those are all important things. Take a look at your thyroid. I don't think it's the testosterone doing that though.
But one should accept, getting older, the skin becomes drier anyway in everyone. And
Sure.
especially, I always tell my patients, it goes from a bottom up. It starts with your feet, your legs. Everything is just getting drier. So you just make it a habit, putting on a little bit of body cream,
Sure.
hydration every day after the shower.
Yeah, you start getting flakier and flakier, right? You take off your socks and there's a
Yeah.
plume of
Yeah.
skin cells floating around. Yeah,
That's what I see in my practice every day, Mike.
gotta hold your breath. Don't inhale that
Older
stuff.
guys or women, 80 years, they take off their pants and it's snowing everywhere. So,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
you know,
Well,
uh,
that's
uh,
just
another
normal getting older. So,